We're gonna start this recipe with 3/4 cup of unsalted butter that's been softened. I'm gonna add 1 1/4 cup of sugar. Do you need all of this sugar? Yes. Yes. This is not a healthy recipe. Yes. I'm gonna give this a good blend with my mixer until it's all combined. The next thing we're gonna add is going to be 1/2 cup of sour cream. This sour cream is gonna make our cake nice and moist and soft, and it's gonna be so delicious. To my batter, I'm gonna add 2 large eggs. And 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Give this a good mix. I'm gonna scrape down the sides of my bowl, and this batter is nice and light, but at the same time, it's a little thick. To our batter, I'm gonna add 1 2/3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and then we're gonna give this a good mix just until it's all combined. My batter is nice and mixed, and it's nice and thick. That's exactly how it should look. In another bowl, you're gonna take 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour, and then we're gonna toss our frozen blueberries in here. This is gonna help keep all of our blueberries throughout our cake, and they won't all sink to the bottom. For my baking dish, I've got a loaf pan lined with parchment paper. For my blueberries, I like to add a little bit at a time. So I'm gonna add some of my batter to my pan, and then I'm gonna drop a couple blueberries, then add a little batter, and kind of go back and forth. And then I save just a couple for the top. There we go. And I'm gonna bake this in the oven at 350 degrees for 85 to 90 minutes. And once it's out of the oven, you wanna let it cool completely before you cut it, and then you'll have that beautiful pound cake texture. I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I did. If you did, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps to support my channel. And if you'd like to see more recipes like this, go ahead and subscribe. Thanks for watching.